Day 5. Gonna pick up my brother today. We're going to Portland. Maybe a ferry. It's raining today. It's actually raining today, finally. Right now we're just gonna grab some stuff from the grocery store and come back and then leave again. And I don't know what we're doing. But yeah, day 5. We're at some outlet mall now. We are at Brickyard Hollow doing some outlet shopping. I don't know how much we're actually gonna shop, but yeah. I'm at Portland Head Lighthouse, grabbing more lobster rolls, and just gonna walk around here for now. Picked up my brother. Definitely raining today, as you can see. But yeah, more shots of food, I guess. Eating lobster roll. Now we're gonna head to the ferry, take a ferry to a few islands. So, more montages. Yeah. We're now at the ferry, Casco Bay. Gonna take a 3-hour ferry. It's like a working ferry if anyone's in Toronto. It's kind of like the Toronto Island ferries, but a much bigger distance than our little tiny lake. Now thunderstorming, so we're no longer going on the ferry. We're just gonna walk around Portland and the old city. And yeah.
We might have trouble getting here.
Driving? Probably not. I mean, most
we have to avoid
walking. I mean, my shoes are already.
Okay, let's go though.
Oh yeah, no.
No, I think we have to go back to that side.
We have to what?
We have to go back to that side. It's too much water.
I forgot to record an outro and an intro. The outro wasn't much because we just got in the car and drove home. We were all kind of wet and we just wanted to get back by then. The next day we woke up early to go to Acadia National Park, and this would have been the start of day 6. Harbor. It's this nice little town. It's just a nice town. We're just grabbing food. They're looking for the information center to figure out where all the hawks are. That's about it. So this lunch place is where we're getting a sandwich for lunch. That's what it's called. It's called Lunch Soup and Sandwich Shop. It's very touristy here though. So the GoPro audio died, so there's no outro, and that's the end of day 6.